Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholic. Let's make the Dagger Dangle earrings. I've got some 24 gauge wire and I'm stringing on 5 dagger beads, and there are seed beads, size 11, in between and surrounding all of those daggers. And I want them to go centrally onto my wire. Then I'm going to string on that big chunky Czech glass bead. And what I want to do is put the wire back through the bead. So we're going to encircle the bead. So I'm putting in the other end of the wire, and then I'm going to pull, not tight, but I'm going to pull it so that those beads are circular in a half circle, I guess, around the bottom. Then I'm going to pull up those two ends of wires and I'm going to sort of straighten them out. You can cut them if you would like, but I'm going to string on some more seed beads. So I'm going to put on 5 or so seed beads. You can decide how many you would like, and if you're using a different size bead, you may need a different amount. Then I'm going to crisscross the wire at the top of the seed beads, and 24 gauge wire should allow you to wrap with just your fingers. So I'm going to wrap that around a few times, and then I'm going to cut off the shorter piece of wire and pull the longer one straight up, snipping that off with some nippers. And then I'm going to take some round nose pliers and I'm going to create a wire wrap loop. And I'm just going to wrap a few more times around the section that's already wrapped. And oh my gosh, I love these earrings. They're so much fun to make and so much fun to wear. So you get a nice round loop up top, then you're going to snip off that excess and you've got some really fun dagger dangle earrings. All you need is a pair of ear wires and you're in business. You can find everything to make these fun earrings at beadaholic.com. Thanks so much for watching.